Hey there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this Thankful for You sign. This project includes only a few steps, and I think it would make a really sweet gift to give to someone that you're thankful for. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this sign. The first thing you will do is paint the wooden word thankful in black paint. Don't worry about painting the sides or the edges, just make sure the front of it is painted black. Set it aside to dry once you finish, and then you are going to grab your paper cutter and red plaid paper, and you are going to cut a rectangle to the dimensions of 5 by 7. Next, you will grab a 4 by 6 photo and attach it to the red plaid paper using these foam adhesives. And then you will attach a clip to the top of the paper and set it on top of the wood board. You will also grab your wood word thankful and place it on the board. It's going to be overlapping the picture a little bit and left justified. Underneath the word thankful, you are going to grab your black stickers and you are going to spell out the words for you. Next, you are going to adhere the word thankful to the board, and we're going to use those foam squares again to help lift the word a little bit and to add some dimension. I did want a little bit more height for this, so I actually did stack 2 foam squares on top of each other just to help give it a little extra oomph. And then lastly, I put some glossy accents on the back of the clip and then adhered it to the board. And now your sign is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.